Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 28th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And this one, yeah, if I compare with the um, last week, well, that puzzle last week, also a killer Sudoku, unsolvable. I hope this one will be solvable because, yeah, the publisher has changed the rules last time. I saw in the center big square double one, double numbers, not allowed, one of the rules of the Sudoku. Well, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, we have here 2 stars, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. We have here also a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, and 1 binary. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, but I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the binary puzzle. By the way, the news of today, well, it's today war day number 217. 217 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. The prices going up, and electricity, the gas, everything is expensive. Yeah, twice as much as before. So not pleased with the war. Anyway, let me start with this puzzle. It's 5242, this number. Yes, this will be 5242. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Well, 10 by 10. I've already counted all the boxes. 10 boxes, so 10 by 10. And that means that in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. All right, what you also need to know is the rows or the columns must be unique, so no double or same columns. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. Well, I know 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 1's. I know that between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So this box should be an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's. So the rest are O's. A double O, here one, there one. Let me think. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And now, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Think. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about here? 1, 2, 3. Nope. Well. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Well, we have 2 completed rows. 10. We have 10 here. 10. 10. No. Well. 10. Yeah, maybe I can compare this one and the last one. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now. Compare again. Do we have the rows? We have 1, 2, 3 columns, completed columns. Double 1 here. Do we have a double 1 here? Here. Almost the same. This one is not easy. Not easy at all. Here we have a double 1 here. Do we have a double 1 here? Here. Okay. 1, 1. Nope. Not the same. Let me think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well. Not the same, this one as that one. 1001. No. I believe I need to compare the columns then. How about 0101? We have 0101 here. 01. No. 101. We have a 101 here. Ay. This one is not easy at all. I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there between. 000, do we have 000 here? No, it's not the same. 1 2 double O here. Do we have double O here? What is this one? Well, this one is almost the same. The last two columns almost the same. 1 2 3 with here no or there no. If I place the O there, then this cannot be an O. That should be an O then. If I place, this could be also a 1. And here. Yeah, I need to wait. This one is not easy at all. The columns will be difficult. How about this? 101. Double O here 10, double O here 11, double O 1100. Yeah. This row and that row need to compare. 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Well, and now. I've told you this one and that one almost the same. Oh, no. It's not anymore the same because here's the difference. Okay, so I skip this. 1 2 3. I think we need to compare the columns. 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have a 101 here. Here. 11. Wow, the third time that I need to compare this column and the second column. 1 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4. So here 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. I cannot believe this. 1 2 3 4. Yes. Question is the columns. Are the columns or are the rows? Double 1 here. We have here also double 1. 10. Oh no. This column, this row I cannot compare. How about this? 0101. Do we have 0101 here? 0101, 010. Yeah, this row and that row Right, so we have a 0011, 0011, 0011, 00, empty box, 11. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1, and we have a 1 here, this should be an O. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Cannot be 15 minutes. No, not 5 minutes. Well, a lot of comparing. 3 times, I believe. Yeah, not an easy one, not an easy one. So if I give the stars, well, this will be definitely a 4 stars. No, binary, yes. But I like this one, and I solve it again, and we solve it again. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.